My name is Stuart Reid. I am presenting a half-day tutorial on testing AI-based systems for the SEETEST conference. Unhappily, we will not be meeting in Sofia as planned, but I hope that we can meet virtually and share our understanding of the importance of AI-based systems and how we as testers might test them. I was the editor of the ISO technical report on testing AI-based systems, which should be published by the time of this tutorial. And I'm on the ISTQB task force, creating a new certification in this area. I do consultancy in AI, and my current project is testing a biometric system that includes both facial recognition and the detection of people behaving in unexpected ways. In this tutorial, we'll cover the key concepts of AI-based systems and what makes them different from conventional systems. Machine learning and AI-based systems have some special characteristics, which makes testing these systems both challenging and interesting. I will try and explain some of the special terminology involved with such systems, such as underfitting, overfitting, and adversarial attacks. Also, we will briefly look at ethics in this area, but this tutorial will be more about the technology than the sociological issues, which are widely covered in non-technical talks. AI-based systems are typically more complex than conventional systems and are often probabilistic, leading them to producing non-deterministic results, which means that the actual outputs may change each time we run a test, even though we start from the same initial state and use the same test inputs. This creates a test oracle problem, and we will look at and try some test techniques that cope with this test oracle problem, such as metamorphic testing. And as we will have access to the internet, I will also show you how to build your own AI-based system in a few minutes to try and cut through some of the mystique of these systems and give you something to go away and test if you don't already have your own AI-based system.